In this video we will create the bubbles for the top right box. Here are the stars. In the first step we need some deviations which are bigger than 0 here for the cross margin, and the scoring points should be bigger and equal than 3 points. So in the first step we will change the scoring points. And then we will click on our chart, right mouse key, select data, click to the button add, then product number 1, X values from cell G5, then the values for our vertical line from cell K5, and the bubble size from cell E5. Then we will add product number 2, X values from cell G6, values for vertical line from cell K6, and bubble size from E6. Okay, and we will add product number 3, X values from cell G7, vertical value from cell K7, and the bubble size from cell E7. Okay, we will add product number 4, X values from cell G8, vertical value from cell K8, and the bubble size from cell E8. And the last one, we add product number 5, X values from cell G9, vertical value from cell K9, and the bubble size from cell E9. Okay, and okay. For all bubbles we will use a dark green color. Go to the bucket and then we go to more colors, and I would recommend that you use a dark green like that one. And then if you click on the next bubble you can also press the key F4, that's a repeat function, key F4. Okay, then mark a bubble, go to chart design, add chart element, data labels, more data label options. Then we will mark series name, deactivate value for vertical line, and label position at center. Next one, add chart element, some data labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate value for vertical line, and label position at center. Next one, add chart element, data label, more data label options, series name, deactivate value for vertical line, and label position at center. And number 4, add chart element, data labels, more data label options, series name, deactivate value for vertical line, label position at center. And the last one, chart element, data label, and more data label options, series name, deactivate value for vertical line, and label position at center. Okay, then we will change our values here so that we have some different values. So, and you can see we have some different bubbles. We have a poor dog, we have a question mark, we have 2 stars, and we have a cash cow. And if you change the values, just for example from product number 5 from 39 to 30, product 5 changes to here, or we change from 4.2 to 2.5, product 5 is here, and we will change the actual value 30 to 45. We have a cash cow, and then scoring point from 2.5 to 4.5, we have a star. In the next video we will create some arrow and the titles for the different boxes.